Hi everyone, today we are going to be redoing a tutorial that I made quite a while ago. I've been asked a few times to redo this tutorial because when I first started doing tutorials, the recording software that I had was total crap and it didn't record the cursor and all that. So I'm going to start redoing some of those tutorials that I've been asked to go ahead and redo. So this is one of them. This is the blending banner animation, and it's pretty simple to do, so this won't be a very long tutorial. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and go to File, New, and the size that I'm using is 728 by 250 for this one. You could make it whatever size you want. I'll just change this to 500, and let's press OK, and we'll go ahead and change this color to, I'm going to use a black color. Then you could just drag and drop this on there. Then we are going to create a new layer and press OK. And then we're going to go ahead and come over here and grab our brush. And I'm using this kind of weird brush. It's a brush pack from Media Militia. I'll try to leave a link below. I've had these brushes for quite a long time. I don't know if they still offer them on their website or not, but if I do find them, I will leave the link to them. And we are going to make this brush a blue color. Let's say that blue. It's 394 CFF. And I'm just going to kind of click right here and kind of do the same over here on this side. And press OK. I'm going to press M on my keyboard to grab up the move tool. That looks okay to me. So we're going to go over here to layer. And then we're going to go down to layer effects. And we are going to do a bevel and emboss. And I'm going to do a pillow emboss. And I'm going to leave everything else at default except for the soften. I'm going to turn that to 1. Everything else is default. And then I'm using this orange color. It is FF7A, nope, I'm sorry, it's FF7E00, and we could do the preview if you'd like, and that's the look I'm going for, so I'm going to just go ahead and press OK, and then I'm going to drag all this stuff out of the layer group, even this layer, then I'm going to delete this layer group and press the delete button down here. Then I'm going to go from this layer, I'm going to right click and I'm going to merge down and go to this layer, right click and merge down, this layer, right click and merge down. And now we have a background for this effect to work. You just need three layers, and it's 2 text layers and then your background layer. So make your background look however you want it to look. I'm going to do one more thing to this. So we're going to go back up to layer, and then layer effects, and then we're going to go to stroke, and I'm using a size of 4. The position I put all the way to 0 because I want it on the inside, and we are going to use this blue color. So if I press preview, you'll see that we get a little border around there, and that's fine with me. So I'm going to press OK, and then I'm going to go ahead and drag this out of this layer group 2, and I'm going to delete that. Right click and then go to merge down and merge that down. Okay, now we got our background set up. So next is just to type out some text. So I'm just going to type out anything. So I'm just going to drag this box way out like that. And I'm going to click in here and I'm just going to type out hey. Then I'm going to press delete. And then I'm going to go over here and click on my move tool. And then I'm going to move this up here. Just like that, kind of trying to line it up in the middle. And then I'm going to click on my text tool again, and I'm going to come outside here, and I'm going to drag this box way out there too. And I'm going to just type there, and grab my move tool again, and move this up into place over here. And the font that I am using for this is it's called Dragon is Coming. I got it off of defont.com. And I do apologize if you just heard dogs barking. So we are going to, that's pretty much it. I mean, you could do things to the text if you want, but I figured that I would just leave it basic because this is simple. And you just click on this top layer here and then just go up to filters, animation, click on blend. And I'm going to blend this on 30 frames and put the max blur radius at 3. And I'm going to click on looped and I'm just going to press OK. It will open up into a new tab. And I'm just going to press filter, animation, playback, and play it back. And there you go. It's as simple as that. And this is a very cool effect. You can lower the amount of frames to make it faster, turn them up to make it more slower, and you can turn the blur up to make it blur more or turn it down to have less blur, to where they just go back and forth. But this is a pretty cool and easy text animation you could do, and I hope that you guys enjoy this tutorial. For more tutorials, please like and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.